to AMD. Let's see. Let's go to 7/15/2025. Change the time first. Hold on. $7/15/2025 AMD. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is crazy extended. Wow. This is strong. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. It's 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 4. Remove this. Give it some room. This down. Bring this down. Move that. Nice double top right here. Remove this. Put that there. Damn, look how far back I'm going. Let me see. Then boom. Got that there. All right. AMD. Let's go to 9:45. AMD has its days. Wow. Tricky one. Looked like it rejected off the 1-minute trend, respected this first resistance. Came back red to green at this high. Break and hold. Reject this resistance. Finally break above it. Reject this one. And now we're holding this as support. Support. Rejecting this resistance. Support. This one would have definitely been tricky because you get the break you're looking for, but the next candle, red to green. So you probably would have been down for a split second, maybe 5 to 10%. 5 to 10%. Your entry would have been halfway here, and this pulled back here, and just after the pullback, we break and hold above this 1-minute trend for the breakout move. But look how we're respecting all the 4-hour time frame levels. Look at this, it's perfect. Crazy.